Hey, it's Doug with another 1-minute video. Do you have outdoor metal surfaces that are taking a beating in the desert sun? Well, before you take any extreme measures, try this simple fix to bring back its luster and finish. It's WD-40. Watch as I rejuvenate the finish by rubbing it on. After you've cleaned the surface of dirt, just apply it to a rag and start rubbing it on. I use it on my outdoor tables, on my fire table, security doors, my house decorations, and even my landscape lights. Doing this once in the spring and fall will keep them looking great all year. WD-40 sells a lot of products, so be sure to only use the original WD-40 brand. Be sure to review the can's directions and warnings before using. Let it dry for about 24 hours before sitting, covering, and especially lighting that fire pit. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.